Unlock the secrets of zinc acid, a compound shrouded in mystery, as we explore its fascinating production methods and uncover its surprising uses. First, let's clarify zinc acid doesn't have a universally recognized standard synthesis. This tutorial explores hypothetical methods based on similar organic acid production. Always remember, real-world chemical synthesis requires specialized equipment and strict safety protocols. Attempting this without proper training is extremely dangerous. Our hypothetical zinc acid synthesis starts with a precursor molecule. Imagine a substituted benzene ring. In the first step, this molecule undergoes a sulfonation reaction. Concentrated sulfuric acid is added to the benzene ring, introducing a sulfonic acid group. This reaction is typically carried out at elevated temperatures with careful monitoring to prevent unwanted side reactions. Next, this sulfonated intermediate is treated with a strong oxidizing agent. Think of potassium permanganate or chromic acid. This oxidation step aims to introduce a carboxylic acid group onto the benzene ring, converting a methyl or alcohol group, if present, into the desired carboxylic acid functionality. The reaction progress needs to be meticulously monitored, controlling the amount of oxidizing agent to avoid overoxidation. Following the oxidation, the reaction mixture contains our target molecule, zinc acid, along with byproducts and unreacted starting material. Purification is crucial. Filtration removes any solid precipitates. The filtrate then undergoes multiple washing steps to remove any lingering inorganic salts. Next, a rotary evaporator concentrates the purified solution, removing excess solvent and leaving behind a crude zinc acid product. This crude product is then recrystallized from a suitable solvent. This involves dissolving the zinc acid in a hot solvent, then slowly cooling the solution to allow pure crystals of zinc acid to form. Impurities remain dissolved in the solvent. Finally, the purified zinc acid crystals are filtered, washed, and dried. The resulting product is analyzed using techniques like NMR or mass spectrometry to confirm its identity and purity. While this is a simplified overview, it illustrates the core principles involved in many organic acid syntheses. Remember, safety is paramount when working with chemicals.